Welcome, my dear friends, once again to my YouTube channel where you can learn English very easily. Dear friends, you can see one picture, and this picture shows you that Ram killed Ravan. Next one, here you can see that Ravan was killed by Ram. My dear friends, both the sentence are just same, but there is some difference. So let us know what is the difference. I think you got some idea about today's topic. So today's topic is active and passive voice. Let's start, dear friends. First of all, I want to tell you what is active voice. When the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active voice. It is so because the subject is active. Example, Ram killed Ravan. Here, Ram is active. So it is active voice. Next, passive voice. When the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive. Example, Ravan was killed by Ram. Here, Ravan is not doing anything. Action is being done with Ravan. Dear friends, rule to convert from active to passive voice. So let us start with the rule number 1. Object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Here you can see one example. Pratik helped Subrata. And the answer is Subrata was helped by Pratik. Dear friends, as you can see in sentence first, Pratik helped Subrata. Subrata is the object, and in the passive voice, we have changed this object into the subject. Next one. Next, rule number 2 is that the subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice, generally preceded by the preposition by. Example, Amrita cooks food, and the passive voice is food is cooked by Amrita. Dear friends, you can see Amrita, the subject, is now changed into the object. Rule number 3, the main verb is changed into the past participle form. That is third form of the verb. Example, Deepa paints a picture, and the answer for this is a picture is painted by Deepa. Dear friends, paints was there, so we have converted paints into painted. That is past participle form, or we can say third form of the verb. Next rule, there are some verbs with two objects. In such cases, either of the object, preferably the personal object, can be changed into the subject and the other is retained as an object. This object is called retained object. Example, Manoj gave me a book. And the answer is I was given a book by Manoj. Dear friends, in this sentence there are two objects. One is me and other is a book. So we have converted me into I and a book is the retained object. Next rule, that is rule number 5. Being is used if verbs ing form is used. Like you can see in the example, Khushpreet and her friend are watching a movie. So the passive is a movie is being watched by Khushpreet and her friend. Dear friends, like you can see in the sentence, watching was there. So when we have written the answer, we have used being with the third form of watch. Rule number 6. Been is used with has, have or had. Example, Chirag has given a car to Lakshya. And the answer is Lakshya has been given a car by Chirag. As you can see in the question or in the active voice has was there. So when we have converted it into passive voice, we have used has been. Rule number 7. Helping verb is MR is used with present simple and was verb is used with past simple. Let us see one example. Nalin calls Abhay. And the answer is Abhay is called by Nalin. Here, dear friends, you can see calls indicates present simple. So we have used is am or are. Abhay is singular. So we have used is. Next sentence. Durgesh beat Ravi. Now we can see the answer, that is Ravi was beaten by Durgesh. Here the sentence belongs to simple past. So we have used was according to Ravi. Rule number 8, dear friends, in interrogative sentence, if the sentence is starting with WH word, we will start the answer with WH word. But if the sentence is starting with helping verb, we will start with helping verb. We can see one example. Did you see Mahi? And the answer is, was Mahi seen by you? Did is a helping verb, so we have made the passive with helping verb only. One more example. How did Chavi do it? And the passive is, how was it done by Chavi? Dear friends, helping verb we have used in the place of helping verb, and when WH word is there, then we have used WH word. Dear friends, here you have to note one thing. WHO, who, is changed into by whom. We can see one example. Who gave Harshita ice cream? And the answer is, by whom was Harshita given ice cream? Rule number 9. Imperative sentence. It means the sentence of order, command, request or advice. These sentences can be converted by using let plus object plus be, or we can also make these kind of sentence with the help of you are requested, advised, ordered plus to. Like we can see one example, do this work. The answer can be let this work be done, or you are advised to do this work. Exercise, dear friends, some sentences are there. What you have to do, rewrite the following sentences using the passive voice. First sentence, Aditya built this school in 1990. Second sentence, the headmaster teaches us English. Third sentence, Aditi will sing a song. Fourth, did Jinesh point out any defect? Fifth one, do not look down upon the poor. Sixth, Lakshya was plucking a flower. Seventh, they fought a good fight. Eighth one, spring has forgotten the garden. Dear friends, in the end I want to say you that please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.